This 2024 Forest River R-Pod RP202 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Indian Valley Camping Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, water heater, air conditioning, awning, oven, slide-out, skylight, microwave, auxiliary battery, LP detector, smoke detector, and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Forest River R-Pod RP202 is 4,868 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.